Configure the room booking calendar to schedule local client work. Hi, this is Colton Brown for DoItByTheHour.com, and I'm a freelancer, just like you. The back and forth of emails to find a mutual meeting time with the client is both time-consuming and inconvenient, resulting in missed opportunities. Do It by the Hour is an integrated software solution for freelancers that includes project management, invoicing, Stripe integration, booking calendars, expense tracking, CRM tools, accounting, and more. Learn how to set up your room booking calendar, allowing clients to see your real-time availability and book directly on your calendar. A room can represent any physical space, including things like cubicles or work bays. The first step for any billable work is setting up your services and rates. You have many options, including hourly and fixed rates, requiring deposits and cancellation fees for bookings, and even cost-plus billing for subcontractor work. See our tutorial on defining your freelance services for a detailed walkthrough. Once you've defined your services, the calendar needs to know what days you're available for bookings. For the room calendar, each room has its own available days and hours. You can set up multiple buildings. Each building has one or more stories that contain one or more rooms. To set up your rooms, go to the dashboard and click the Do It button under Maintain Setup. From the Maintain Setup page, click the Buildings button in the Booking Rooms section. Click the Create Building button to define as many buildings as you need. For each, enter the name and description of that building. From the Select Building page, click the View button under the building you wish to edit. Click the Edit Room button for the room you want to update. The room calendar only shows rooms that are available for booking, so check the Available for Booking box. This will display a list of days. Check each day that the room is available and select the first and last booking times for that day. Note that bookings are in 30-minute increments, so if, for example, your business closes at 9 p.m., your last booking should be at 8:30 p.m. Click Save when you're done. Your room calendar is now ready to use. Ready to take your freelancing career to the next level? Give us a try with 30 days of unlimited access for free. Get started today on www.doitbythehour.com.